Hey there, loves. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you guys my little s'mores charcuterie board. Well, it's not little, it's huge. But I want to share with you guys how I made this s'mores charcuterie board for hubby and I's bonfire night. We decided to do something a little cutesy and a little different because we have not had s'mores in years. So we decided to go ahead and create a s'mores board. So I'm just going to take you guys along with me for this process. Because the marshmallows are the star of the party, I decided to go ahead and place those down first. And then I'm just adding some peanut butter for me because hubby doesn't like peanut butter. But I'm adding some peanut butter and also some Nutella just as an optional side. We did not eat all of this, so trust me, a lot of it was left over. It was definitely a sugar rush. It was definitely a sugar rush this night, but it was really nice, very romantic. The moon was full, it was huge, it was beautiful. The whole entire yard was lit up. It was just very nice. So I'm just gonna go ahead and place a lot of different options down. For example, I'm using some wafers as well as cookies and pretzels and whatnot. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch me just place it down. No rhyme or reason, I'm just putting it down the way I think it looks best or prettiest. I am all for romanticizing my life, and it is not just to make my husband feel nice, but it also makes me feel nice when I just make things look pretty before we go ahead and enjoy it. It's just setting the mood and the ambiance that makes me feel, like it's worth it. I just like to eat from a pretty plate. So that is why I'm taking my time to fill out this board. It is a lot, like I said, and no, you're not going to eat all of it. So make sure that you have, the containers that it came in, if they can be reused, or if you have containers that you can place it in afterwards, because a lot is going to be left over if you're not doing it for a large amount of people. But it is so worth taking the effort and just switching it up and just doing it a little differently instead of just throwing everything in a bowl or eating it out of the bag. Take the little extra step, go that little extra mile, and it is definitely worth it. You and your partner and your friends, depending on how many people it's for, will definitely enjoy the layout and the ambience because you took your time and effort to make it look worth it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it also inspires you to go ahead and romanticize your life. You guys know I love creating a charcuterie board, whether it's a breakfast board, a brunch board, or like this, just a snack board. I just love to go that extra mile just to make my partner feel like, hey, I had you in mind, I had us in mind, I wanted to do this for us. It just makes it feel nice. It's a nice feeling. That's all I can say. And I hope it inspires you to go ahead and, take the time out and make it nice as well if you don't already. But if you do, kudos to you, and continue on making your partner feel loved and worth it, and they will definitely appreciate it, trust me. So until next time, guys, choose.